Have you seen our short video about the upcoming National Law Enforcement Day on January 9th? If yes, you're probably already prepared. If not, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next one. By the way, today I'm trying out 3 different AI tools to create a design dedicated to National Law Enforcement Day. I'll use the same prompt for all 3 tools. Let's see how it all turns out. First up is POD Merch Designer. The prompt is, funny vector design for a t-shirt made for Law Enforcement Appreciation Day. Can be a police car with doughnut wheels or something else fun. Wow, I have to say that's a good one. I really like it. Next up is POD Buddy GPT. The same prompt. And the result is okay-ish. Nice police car, donut wheels. Perhaps it would be better without this hole. So, on to the third tool. It's Playground AI. And with it, I can generate 4 images at once. The same prompt, 4 different images. Interesting, I like the style, but they are quite messy. This one could be interesting. Stick with me, I'll show you which one I chose. You'll get a peek at how I came up with the phrase for that design, and at the end, I will show you how it turned out. Meanwhile, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. So, I chose design number 1. Surprise, surprise. Even as nice as it is, without some fun phrase, it's not going to work. So before creating listings for this design, I asked Chat to come up with text variations. First, it suggested some good but not outstanding ideas. One interesting idea was Fast, Furious, and Frosted, but due to potential IP issues with Fast and Furious, I asked for more options. And after a few clarifications, it came up with Patrolling in Style, which has a nice touch. I decided to stick with this phrase, and here's the result. I tried to make the word patrolling out of donut letters, but that was too much. I know it's a bit late to make a design 2 weeks before the event, and we should be working on Valentine's Day designs already, but fingers crossed, we'll see. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.